Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to all. I am Nurjana Manganduga Matungi. I will be presenting the roles of technology in education. Let us delve into the roles of technology in education and how it's helped the modern world using the advancement of technology. Tech- Technology has become increasingly interwoven into the fabric of education, playing a vital role in how students learn and teachers teach. Technology helps the student to cope up with the latest trends of education, helping them to be more productive and knowledgeable in education. Now let us proceed to the importance of technology in education. The vital role of technology in education is that teacher can serve or study materials so that students can better understand the topic and solve the problem easier via EdTech. Educational technology approaches modern classroom, smart classes, which primarily focus on improvising the performance of every student. Students can focus and search for informative learning material that are of great importance on their studies. Also, the teacher could provide sufficient learning materials as guide in honing developing their student individual potentials. Let us moving on to why technology is important in education. The important role of technology in education led to improve qualities of studying. Technology material are easy to access. Better communicate facilities skills and knowledge to students. It gives proper way of communication because of their availability to students nowadays. Apart from that, with e-learning technology tools, students can access the material from any geographical area whenever they go. Details information can be available in different online source of platforms. In spite of having various higher technology-driven education tools, schools are still using the pen, pencil, and paper method for learning. However, via EdTech, the whole education structure has been revolutionized, enriching the learning process at just one fingertip on students. Due to the availability of gadget and internet connectivity, everything is reachable. Here's claims into some of its key functions. Next is the enhanced accessibility and exclusivity. Technology bridge geographical device offering remote learning opportunities through online platforms and virtual classrooms. This fosters education access for students in far-flung areas for or who those unable to attend physical classes. Additionally, technology can cater to diverse learning styles through interactive tools and personalized learning. As we experienced during the pandemic, online mode of learning became an avenue for learning, teaching to students and teachers. In this way, everyone can be given the equal opportunity for learning using the online mode of learning. Let's go to the engaging and interactive learning. Gone are the days of rote memorization. Technology injects engagement into the classroom with educational games, simulation, and virtual reality VR experiences. These interactive elements make learning enjoyable and help students grasp complex concepts more effectively. By using technology in education, students will be able to experience different types of strategies, approaches, skills, methods, and virtual activities that will shape their intellectual ability. At this point, let's move to personalized learning. Tech tools empower teacher to tailor lesson individuals to student needs. Teacher can leverage adaptive learning platforms that adjust the difficult level based on the student's performance. This personalized approach ensures all students are challenged appropriately and can progress on their own pace. In this process, teacher will utilize various strategies to cope up with the needs and learning deficiency of students. In this personalized learning, every student has the opportunity to learn adjusted to them by their teachers. To continue, let us tackle the develop future-ready skills. Technology fluency is an essential skill in today's world. By incorporating technological tools into classroom, students develop digital literacy, communication, and critical thinking skills that preparing them for success in the modern workforce. In this modern era, students are encouraged to use different technological skills to adapt in the ever-changing world. By doing so, technological tools must be adapted by used in the classroom environment to make students diverse in their field of expertise in learning. Moving on, streamline process. Technology can streamline administrative tasks for educators, freeing up valuable time for lesson planning and student interaction. For instance, online reading platforms can automate the process, allowing teachers to focus on providing constructive feedback. Technology in education lessen the burden of admin tasks, specifically in providing systematized flow of reading, enrollment, assignment, easy to access lesson planning. Overall, technology serves as the powerful tools to empower educators, enhance the learning experience for students, and preparing them for the future. However, it's important to remember that technology is a supplement, not a replacement, for effective teaching and human connection in the classroom.